Hello student, in your big data online class, first I will explain what is big data and what are the approaches we can use. Everything I will explain before class. Today itself I will explain these things and I will continue the classes. First, what is big data? Big data is similar to small data but bigger in a size. That one we can call it as a big data. But having a data bigger is required to different approaches. What are the approaches we can use? Technique, tools and the architecture. These things we can use in these approaches. What is big data? Big data is similar to small data but bigger in size. That one we can call it as a big data. But having a data bigger is required to different approaches. What are the approaches we can use? Approaches of big data. What are the approaches we can use in a big data? Techniques, tools and architecture we can used. In your big data generates value from the storage to process the very large quantities of digital information that cannot be analyzed the traditional computing techniques. 1 million customer transaction every hours, money transaction or data transaction we can do it in a 1 hour once or seconds once. It will be transaction of day. 1 million transaction will be per 1 hour. Facebook handling 40 billion photos from the user base. That one I will give an example of this approaches. In your big data it is a 3 V3s or V3s. Big data is a V3s. It means volume, velocity and variety. Before class only I will explain that one. Volume, velocity and variety. Volume, it's based on the data quantity and velocity is based on the data speed and variety. It is based on the data types. Different data types we can use in a variety. In your big data will be next big thing in the IT world. We can it will be since 21st century we can use in a big data. First, the first organized where we can use the big data means Google, eBay and Facebook. These are organization will be start first, and it importance in the time required to perform the computing task or new product and service offering everything. It will be easy to move on, easy to use. That's why we can use the big data in a big word. In what is the required of this big data? Why big data is needed? We can see it. Why big data is needed? Big data is needed. We can see big data is needed. Why big data is needed? It is increase the storage capacity. So it is needed. It is increase of storage capacity. It increase of storage capacities, storage capacities, and increase of processing power. Increase of process power. First one is it increase of storage capacity, and second one is increase of processing power. Increase of processing power. And last one is availability of data. Availability of data. It means different data types we can use in a big data. These three will be needed in a big data. Why big data is needed means we can increase the capacity and increase the power, processing power, and we can availability of data, and it means number of data, different data types we can use in a big data. That is that one is the very important needed. It will be needed in a big data. Next topic is characteristics of big data. What are the characteristics we can use in the big data? We can see it here. First one, next topic is characteristics of big data. Characteristics of big data. First character is volume. Second characteristics velocity, and third one is the variety. Volume means you know already. Volume means it is the data quality. That one is the data quality. This one is velocity means data speed. It depends on the speed. And this one is the data types. Variety of data types we can use in a big data. These characteristics we can use in a big data. We can see what is the volume and what is the velocity and what is the variety we can use in a big data. We can see it here. First thing I will say volume. What is volume? Volume is the data quality. Volume is the data quality. You know, a typical PC might have had a 10 gigabytes of storage in 2000. Today Facebook we can integrate 500 terabytes of new data entry per day. Every day we can enter the 500 terabyte of data we can entered. This is a 2020-21 or 20. It is the so much of data we can use, or data quality we can use. Volume, in 2000 we can use the 10 gigabyte of storage we can use. Storage we can use in a PC might have had, but today it means nowadays Facebook we can use the 500 terabyte of data we can use in a new data we can enter in a every day. 500 terabyte of data we can used in a every day. This is the volume. What is velocity? Velocity is the speed. It depends on the speed. Velocity is depends on the speed. High frequency stock trading algorithm reflect the marketing changes within the microsecond. This one is the speed. The high frequency stock trading, high frequency stock trading algorithm, high frequency stock trading algorithm reflect the marketing changes, reflect the market changes within microsecond, changes within microsecond. In machine to machine process exchange data between the billions of devices. Machine to machine process, machine to machine process exchange of data between billions of devices, devices we can processing exchange the data. Machine to machine processing exchange between the data in billion devices we can exchange. But infrastructure of sensors generate the machine log data and real-time data. Everything we can see it in a velocity. And online gaming system, that one velocity we can use in a online gaming system support millions of concurrent user are each proceduring or multiple input per second. We can use multiple user per second in a gaming system. Support millions of concurrent user will be used the multiple input per the second. We can use millions of concurrent user in multiple inputs per seconds. Last one is variety. Big data isn't just a number, date, string. It's just a variety. It is already explained. That one is the different types of different data types. That one we can call it as a variety of data types we can use. What types of data types we can use means number, date, string. The types of data types we can use. It is just a number. Isn't just a number. Is not just a number, date and string. Data is also 3D data. We can use 3D data, audio, video and unstructured data and unstructured data, text, unstructured text, and including the log files, including the log files and social media. Also we can use the variety of data types we can use. In your traditional database system, we are designed the address smaller volume of structured data are updated and procedural data and consist of data structure. Everything we can use in the variety of data structure. Variety, it means it's not just we can use the date, time and string. We can use the 3D data also, audio, video, image, text, log files, structured data, unstructured data, smaller volume data, updated and procedural data and consisting of data structure. Everything we can use in a variety of data structure. Thank you.